It is Friday, June 4th. We are in week 3 of our summer field, and I know I was talking about it last time, but I'm going to talk about it again. Corn grows so crazy fast, and it has been utterly studied to death by science because most of the food that everyone in the world relies on is in the grass family. So that would be like wheat, millet, sorghum, corn itself, rice, barley, all kinds of different stuff that looks very similar, grows very similar, just during different parts of the year and with different seed qualities and characteristics. So corn is, of those, my favorite to grow. And since it's been studied to death, I've learned a lot just by reading scientific articles on how to take care of it. So corn is what we call a heavy feeding plant, meaning it needs a ton of nutrients to grow really fast and to produce well. So one of the guidelines is to give it supplemental nitrogen when it has about 6 leaves through the phase we call tasseling, which is where they start throwing out flowers at the top of the plant. So as of now, they do have 6 leaves, so I threw down blood meal, same thing I did last year, and yeah, they are very green. They're growing so fast, and I'm super happy with them. We're going to start harvesting summer squash next week. You can see there are already a few developing. These are zephyr squash. They're amazing. They produce in 54 days, and a lot of times they'll say that, you know, it's like the days since transplanting. These guys actually produce from the time that they are seeded, which is cool, assuming you can get them in the ground fast enough. And there is a metric crop load. Beyond that, everything else is also filling in nicely. My only complaint is peppers because, I mean, look at how fucking slow these guys are. You see that little tiny strip of green down there? They are greening up nicely, so they're healthy, but peppers in general just grow slow. And we've got our watermelons, and tomatoes are into trellising point. They're doing all right. For some reason, our basil is just doing crap this year, and I'm not sure if it's because I supplemented with gypsum, or if it's sick. Question mark? I don't know. I'm gonna have to replant. Yeah, so this is the field this week. Happy Friday.